What is up, ladies and gents? Welcome to a brand new video. Hopefully you've been enjoying my previous videos, and thank you very much for all the feedback you've been giving me so far. I promise that I just want to make these videos better for you guys and just have fun and get to know people in the car community. So tonight should be a fun one. It's because I'm really late to something. Like, I should have been there 30 minutes ago, and I'm just leaving the gas station. It's a dinner, and I'm fucking starving to add to that. And yeah, I just fueled up my car. Yeah, I just filled the tank with premium fuel, which I usually don't use. I fill my car with like the cheap stuff. When I went to tune my car, I got the guy who tuned my car told me that the engine was rumbling a little bit, and I needed to put premium fuel once in a while, so that's what I'm trying to do to keep my engine healthy. So yeah, guys, hopefully those 3 points. I just filled up my car, so the tank is full, and I'm not making consumptions. I'm just driving how I want because the tank is full. I'm pretty sure we all felt that way. And I'm 30 minutes late, and I'm fucking starving. So yeah, guys, I'm just letting the car warm up a little bit, and the traffic clear up, and we're just gonna go fast tonight because I'm really starving. I just had a gym session, cardio gym session, and I didn't eat anything the whole afternoon because I had a big lunch. So yeah, I'm fucking starving. So let's see if we can get rid of these fucking guys to have some fun with the car. It's been a while since I drove it fast because I didn't have money to fill it up. And I've also been away for quite a while. That's why I've spent a little bit, a few weeks without posting. I haven't recorded in a while as well. So yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the video. Personally, I've been watching it back. I think I need a mic. I think the worst thing is the microphone quality. And yeah, I've definitely considered that. Once I find a good opportunity, I'm gonna invest in a mic. It's gonna be the first thing that I do for this channel. And yeah, let me know about myself as well. I think I'm making adjustments to speak more clearly and louder, and yeah, I believe my camera placement is getting better. Although I don't have my camera placement is my seat, and yeah, it's kind of a weird, because I can't see the shot. Actually, I can. I'm wearing a watch. I can't see the shot when I'm setting up, and I can set it up properly. Yeah, the camera in my Apple Watch is shit. Not even gonna mess with that. Hopefully it's still recording. Let's see. I can see if it's recording, or I'll have a crash just for you to see on how far my phone is to record like this. Yeah, I've had a lot of videos that I recorded for you guys. The videos were great, but the camera position was shit, and the audio was even shittier. And yeah, I had to redo the videos, which was unfortunate for the times that I've been recording, and it wasn't recording. So the car is warm now, so let's just go for it, I guess, and not crash, hopefully. Yeah, let's just go for it. I don't know, guys, when I watch the videos, right, like when I'm driving, I'm just flooring it and I'm feeling the car, I'm feeling the power of the car. But when I watch the videos, I don't know, like I know this is like 180 horsepower Scirocco, and it's a diesel too, so it's heavier, but I just feel like I'm going so slow in the videos. And in real life, I just feel like I'm gonna kill myself with the speed when I watch back. Like, it's just so fucking slow. I don't know, let me know what you guys think. showing. If I'm showing my license plate, I guess they can, but I don't know. Let me know of that as well. Yeah, we're making good time now. You're on a freeway. Maybe you should have taken the other route. I don't know which one's faster actually. I swear, guys, this car like just doesn't sound. You know, it's a diesel. Doesn't sound very good. But if I think it's my next modification. Let me know. Air filter. Like when I was the time that it didn't record, that I almost crashed and almost killed myself. And it didn't record, which was really sad because the video was really cool. I really pulled. But yeah, when I was pulling it, it was so fucking quiet. It was nighttime and it was quiet, and all I could hear, and I didn't have music. All I could hear was the car. And you know, the exhaust sound, it's okay, I guess, like for a diesel car it's okay. I just felt like if I had, and I was highlighting it too, but if I had like a nice air intake and I could hear like the car sucking air, it would make a much more beautiful sound. Yeah, I think I took the wrong route here. Hopefully by the end of it I can get some speed. Because it's a very straight line and I was speed at that section. But for this section, you know, it's a lot of traffic. A lot of people, it's a Friday night, Friday evening. A lot of people getting home to their, a lot of people getting home. Yeah, I have a new phone case which is thinner than my previous one that I've been using for all the videos. In fact, I had two videos where the phone fell out. I don't know if that posted or not. I was like driving and I looked to my right to see if the phone was good, and the phone was like almost falling. Yeah, these damn Ubers. So yeah, guys, lately, yeah, I'm, you know, it's traffic, so let's just talk a little bit. Yeah, lately I've been having this really strong urge to get a motorcycle, you know, like today's shit, but lately the weather has been improving vastly, and it's been, yes, turn left, don't use blinker. Let's see if I don't run over someone. And my rear tires are bald as well. This car only got away from me like once, was really weird. Whoa, when I was going slowly. What was I saying? Yeah, I've been getting this urge to get a motorcycle. I've always wanted to get a motorcycle. I've always wanted to get a motorcycle, and but I never got the chance to. I wanted to get like a 125cc but I just can't do it because in my country you need to be a certain age to get that motorcycle. To get like you can't get a motorcycle, but what am I saying? Like you need a specific license to drive that kind of motorcycle, and you need you know, with my car driver's license, if I turn a certain age, I think that those are the requirements. If I turn a certain age, I automatically get the 125cc driver's license. And I wanted to get a 125cc because that way I didn't have to spend money on getting a new driver's license plus the time doing the exams and the practical learning. So yeah, and plus the fact that I don't want to kill myself. So yeah, just a 125cc for now. I wanted to get and get used to, you know, driving a bike because I've never driven on a bike before. I've been on a bike before, but I've never drove one. Shit! Why are you braking so hard? What the fuck is this guy doing? What? He just you know, fully stepped on the pedal, like, just because. yeah, not too bad at consumptions. Ever since I got my, and I tuned the car and got the DPF out, I've been getting really good consumptions. So yeah, I wanted to get a 125cc, like, not very potent bike, but just to get the hang of it, and then, just to cruise around once in a while. Not fast because I don't want to kill myself, like a lot of people don't want to do. But yeah, let me know if you guys would, let me know if you guys would also be interested in motorcycle videos. I can only get a motorcycle in like 2 years time, or if I get my driver's license. But if I get a driver's license, I'm gonna get the driver's license where I can drive all of the motorcycles. So this is the part where I can finally give it a stretch. Let's hopefully not catch the red light, so I'm not gonna floor it right now because I don't want to just get stuck at the red light. Some rev matching. Pretty shit rev matching, to be honest, but I was in very high RPM and I didn't want to use the brakes. I think I'm shifting too early. Shit, this road is filled with potholes. Like the car just, I'm just doing like a turn. I feel like if I go into fourth gear and I do this turn and I hit a pothole, my car is just gonna spin. Please, thank you. Like on the straight is like kind of okay, but when I'm turning, like Jesus Christ. It's a lot of holes. This road needs to be paved. Woo! You see what I'm saying? Oh shit! Yeah. Distracted myself with the holes, and I almost broke my gearbox. Don't drive manual, kids. No, I'm just kidding. I love driving manual. I can't believe how many times I've been this close to just breaking my gearbox. It's insane the amount of times. The first time I was driving with my dad. It was the first day I got my car. My first car, which wasn't my car, was a loaner. I was driving with my dad, and we've all got that thing. When we're driving with our dad, we always fuck up. We are the best drivers in the world until our dad is in the passenger seat. Then we just do shit. He starts backseat driving. But yeah. First time I was driving, I was leaving with my dad in my car. The first turn I did, I almost completely scraped the side of the car with another car on the intersection. And then I was in freeway, I was in fifth gear, I wanted to reduce to fourth, and I put the second gear on. And I was just removing the pedal, and it just, and I just stepped on it really fast, and I didn't break my gearbox. So yeah, guys, hopefully I wanted to keep on chatting. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. It was really quick. Like I said, I was pretty late, and we're reaching to the end of it. So guys, please, if you can leave a like and a comment and subscribe, I would really appreciate it. And let me know, please, what you like to see me doing to the car, and what kind of stupid stunts you like to see me doing without breaking my gearbox, hopefully. So yeah, guys, peace.